Alright guys, it's another day and another website where you can use the Nano Banana Pro model for free. The Manus AI team recently integrated the Nano Banana Pro model for AI image generation and editing, but keep in mind that to use it you will need to sign up for a 7-day free trial and add your credit card. But the free trial doesn't actually charge you anything up front. So yeah, it's a little annoying to set up, but it's definitely worth it. The next tip is all about getting free credits. You will get a sign up bonus, a bonus from the Pro trial, and a daily refresh bonus. On top of that, you can also earn more free credits by inviting friends. Each successful invite can give you 500 extra credits. And of course the people or emails you invite will also get the same bonuses added to their accounts. And guys, with this many credits you are not limited to just 2 or 5 images like with other AI tools. At the end of this video I will also share a few more tips on how you can get even more free credits here. Alright guys, what about prompts? I already generated a huge amount of AI images with Manus, but let's start with something simple. I want a golden retriever with sunglasses at the beach, ultra realistic, 2K quality and this aspect ratio. We need to wait a few seconds here of course and let's see what we get. And as you can see guys, our dog looks super realistic. I would never guess it was generated by AI. You can also notice that the AI slightly enhanced our script, but overall the image looks absolutely amazing. Next I want to keep our golden retriever consistent and I want it running along the water's edge. Same aspect ratio here, and of course we will need to wait a few seconds as always to get the results we want. And what you think about it guys? Does our golden retriever look good? It definitely does, and that's the most important part here. Now let's generate a completely new image in 4K resolution. This time I've got a crazy prompt. It's going to be a hyper-realistic image of an ancient cybernetic samurai. And let's see how Nano Banana Pro will handle this. And here is how it turned out. Let me know in the comments below guys who you think is the main competitor to the Nano Banana Pro model, because honestly it looks like no one is even close right now. One important point to mention here: whether you're generating in 2K or 4K, each AI image generation will cost you about 40 credits. You can see other tips on the screen on how to get even more free credits in Manus AI. But keep in mind they break the rules and your account could get banned if you go too far with them. Alright guys, and if you want to know more websites where you can use the Nano Banana Pro model for free, I highly recommend checking out this video. And if you want more tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe.